Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Now today's video, under the series of spectral indices, we'll be looking at bare soil index, which basically combines shortwave infrared and red against near infrared and blue to isolate exposed non-vegetated soil from built-up land and vegetation using the tracking land degradation and construction activities. In our video, we'll be working with Landsat 8 using the QGIS. So this will be the formula we'll be activating. So let's get right straight into it. Yes. Raster Calculator. Bracket open. Because of the two formulas we're putting in. And 6 plus and 4 bracket blue minus bracket over band 5 plus band 2. Sorry, let me clear this. Bracket close. And this up as well. All divided by bracket open. Band 6 minus. It's still the same thing we are putting. Band 4 bracket close plus bracket open. I can just copy this. Yeah. Ended up with the brackets. BSI, bare soil index. There's something missing. Okay. Let me see. So B6, B4 minus B5, B2 bracket close. Double bracket, yes. So double bracket. Okay, there's a triple bracket here. Let's see. Brackets here. I think there'll be another bracket here as well. Yeah. So this should be correct now here. So okay. Should be loading. Nothing is good, okay. It's hidden here. So these are bare soil index rather. So giving us areas with bare lands compared to areas without bare lands. I think if I'm able to come here, yes. This is a water body, so I can easily use this to actually now identify that yes, this is correct in an extent. So with this, I hope I've been able to assist you in creating a bare soil index of your study area. Thank you for watching. Happy mapping. Do like, share, and subscribe as always. See you in the next one. Cheers.